Welcome to L-Proof Learning Channel. In this video, we will explain how to form the smallest number and the greatest number formed from a group of different numbers. Follow me. We will start with the first example. The first example is write the greatest number and the smallest number formed of the following cards, and give us 5 cards with 5 different numbers. In principle, in order to be the greatest number of these cards, we start writing these numbers in order from the greatest number to the smallest number from the beginning of the left. Then we start with the number 7. And then we write to the right of the number 6. And then we write the number after that from the cards to our memory. And it is the 4. Then we write the number 2. And the last number we will write will be the number 1. So the greatest number of these cards will be 76,421. As for the formation of the smallest number, we will write the numbers in order from the smallest number to the greatest number from left to right. Since the smallest number here is 1, then we will start with the number 1. Then we write to the right of the number 2. And after that, we write the number 4. And the number after it will be the number 6. And the last number we will write is the number 7. Therefore, the smallest number made up of the cards in front of us will be 12,467. If you still don't understand it well, let's see another example. In the second example, we also want to be the greatest number and the smallest number consisting of the cards 8, 3, 9, 5, 0, and 2. Of course, these are 6 cards that contain different numbers, but keep in mind that they include the number 0. Okay, as we agreed that in order to be the greatest number, we will arrange the numbers that we have been presented with in descending order from the beginning of the left to the right. Therefore, we will start with the greatest number, which is 9. And then we will write the number 8 to the right of it, like this. Then it will be the turn for the number 5. And then, so we write the number 3 like this. Then we write the number 2. And the last thing we will write is the number 0. Therefore, the greatest number we can form from these numbers will be 985,320. And now, let us be the smallest number. As we agreed before, in order to be the smallest number, we must start writing the numbers from left to right in ascending order. That is, from the smallest number. And because the smallest number we introduced here is the 0, so we will not be able to start because the 0 on the left has no value. Therefore, we must start with the smallest number after the 0, which is the 2 here. So, we will start with the number 2. Then we will write the number 0 to the right of it, like this. Then we will write the number 3. And after that, it will be the number 5. And then we will write the number 8. And the last number we will write is the number 9. Therefore, the smallest number made up of the numbers in front of us will be 203,589. It remains, as we have seen, that if we are the smallest number of several numbers, and they include the number 0, then we must start writing the smallest number after the 0. And after that, write the 0 to the right. Now let us see the last example with us of the idea of forming numbers. The example we have says, write the greatest number and the smallest number formed of the cards in front of you. And then determine the value of the number 5 in each number. And as you say, keep in mind that the number 3 is repeated twice. This is a completely normal thing. Don't worry, there's no problem. As we agreed, in order for it to be the greatest number, we will start arranging the numbers in front of us in descending order from left to right. Therefore, we will start with the largest number, which is 9. Then we will write the number 7 to the right. Then we will write the number 5. And after that, we will write the number 3. And after that, we will write the other 3 like this. After that, we write the number 2. And the last number we will write is the 0. Therefore, the greatest number composed of these numbers will be 9,753,320. Now, let us determine the value of the number 5 in the number that is still making up this. Since the number 5 is standing in a column, tens of thousands, its value will be equal to 50,000. Now, let's be the smallest number. As we are accustomed to, we will start A with the smallest number, but because the smallest number here is the 0, we will write the smallest digit after it. And the one that is the 2 will then write the number 0 to the right of it like this. Then we will write the number 3. And then we will write the number 3 once again. After that, we write the number 5. Then the number 7. And the last thing we will write is the number 9. Therefore, the smallest number consisting of these numbers will be 1,033,579. And in order to determine the value of the number 5 in this number, we will notice that the number 5 is standing in the hundreds place, and therefore it will be a value of 500. And you must have taken note that the value of the number differs in both the larger or smaller number depending on its place value. Now, let us see some important observations on the formation of the greatest number and the smallest number. Let us begin with observations on the largest number. The greatest two-digit number is 99, while the greatest two-digit number is 98. The greatest three-digit number is 999, and the greatest three-digit number is 987. The greatest four-digit number is 9,999, and if the numbers are different, the greatest number is 9,876. The greatest five-digit number is 99,999, and if the numbers are different, the greatest number is 98,765. As for the smallest number, then the smallest two-digit number is 10. And if they are two different numbers, then they are equal to 10. The smallest three-digit number is 100. And if they are three different numbers, it is 102. In the same way, the smallest four-digit number is the number 1000. And if they are four different numbers, then the number is 1023. The smallest five-digit number is 10,000. And if the numbers are different, the smallest number is 10,234. Finally, I hope that the explanation was perfect. Thanks for watching and listening. See you next time.